Hi friends, welcome back to Uma Telugu channel. Today I am going to explain CBSE Mathematics 10th class. So in this topic, mean, median and mode are the specific role of statistics. So first we need to know the statistic meaning. So statistics deals with the collection, presentation and analysis of numerical data. Numerical data means parallel or similar. So they are the three measures of tendency are mean, median, mode. Mean. The mean of n quantities x1, x2, x3 and so on xn is equals to x1 plus x2 plus x3 plus and so on x1 by n is equals to sigma n to the power of n. I is equals to 1 xi by n. This is a basic formula for mean. First formula, for raw data, if n observations x1, x2, x3 and so on xn are given, then the arithmetic mean is given by x bar is equals to x1 plus x2 plus x3 plus and so on plus n xn by n is equals to 1 by n sigma n. I is equals to 1 xi. This is a basic formula. This is the arithmetic of mean. Okay, then move on to next formula. For ungrouped data, if there are n observation x1, x2 and so on xn of variable x with frequencies f1 plus f2 and so on fn respectively, then the arithmetic mean is given by x bar is equals to f1 x1 plus f1 x2 plus f3 x3 plus and so on plus fn xn by f1 plus f2 plus f3 plus and so on fn is equals to sigma n. I is equals to 1 fi xi by sigma n. I is equals to 1 fi. So this is an ungrouped data formula. So move on to next formula. For grouped data, to find the mean of grouped data, it is assumed that the frequency of each class's interval is centered around its midpoint. Centered means it's upper and lower of the point. So grouped data, we have the three methods. So what are they? Direct method or assumed mean method or shortcut method, or another method step deviation method. These three methods are very important to solve the problems very quickly. So first move on to first direct method. Mean is equals to sigma fi xi by fi, where the fi is the class mark, is the midpoint of the I class interval and fi is the corresponding frequency. And assumed mean method or shortcut method, mean x bar is equals to a plus sigma fi di by sigma fi, where a is the assumed mean and di is equals to xi minus a are the deviations of xi from a for each I. Okay, move on to next deviation. Step deviation method, mean x bar is equals to a plus h sigma fi xi by sigma fi, where a is the assumed mean, h is the class size and ui is equals to xi minus a by h. So we need to calculate these methods. First method direct method and assumed mean method and also step deviation method. So we need to calculate the one by one problems we need to calculate. First problem I will tell you direct. We should draw the lines, and in this problem we need to calculate all three methods: direct method, assumed method and step deviation method. So what is the question? Class interval and number of students: 10 to 25, 25 to 40, 40 to 55, 55 to 70, 70 to 85, 85 to 100. Number of students: 2, 3, 7, 6, 6, 6. So first direct method we need to calculate. So Fi is the number of students. So Xi. So what is how to calculate the Xi? Lower limit and upper limit by 2. So we get the Xi. So 10 plus 25 by 2. What is the answer? 17.5. So 17.5. 17.5 is 32.5, and next 47.5 and 77.5, 92.5. So Fi into Xi, we need to multiply 2 into 17.5, 35.5, 97.5 and 33.5 and 33.75, 46.5, 555.0. Okay, so first sigma Fi is equals to 30 and total sigma Fi Xi is equals to 1860.0. So next we need to apply the formula 1860.60 by 30 and divided by what is 30. So 65 answer. So next one we need to calculate assumed mean. Assumed mean, what is the formula of assumed mean? X bar is equals to A plus sigma Fi di by sigma Fi. So first, what is the A? So we need to X bar 62, no? So how will check it? 47.5. How it will calculate, no? 62 is the mean value, no? 55 to 70 in between this 62 is there. So we need to upper. This value will take all. This value will also take. So I will take 47.5. So next we need to calculate Fi di. First di. Di is the, what is the problem? Di is the xi minus a. So di is equals to xi minus a. What is the a value? A is equals to 47.5 is there. So xi is the 17.5 minus 47.5. So minus 30. So next 32.5 minus 47.5 minus 15, and those value is 0, and 62.5 and 47.5 is the 15 and 30 and 45. Next we need to calculate sigma fi and di. Fi and di, and fi is the 2 and minus 30 and minus 60 minus 45, and next 0, and next 90, 180, 6 into 45, 270. Okay. Total of fi and di is equals to 990, 180 and 270 minus 60 minus 45. 435 is the answer. So x bar is equals to a value is the 47.5 plus 435 by, and this value is 30. So 47.5 plus 135 divided by 30, 14.5 and plus 47.5. 62 is the answer. Next, step deviation. What is the formula of a step deviation? X bar is equals to A plus H sigma Fi and Ui by Fi. What is the value of Ui? Ui is the Ui is equals to Xi minus A by H. So what is the H value and what is the H value? How it's calculate the H value? So how to calculate H? We have the H. So we need to calculate the A is the assumed value and H is the class size. H is a class size, means fourth column in between 62, in between 55 to 70, no? So we need to take upper value. Upper value is the assumed mean 47.5, and the lower value is the class size H. So H is equal to 15. So 30 by 15. In this value is 30, no? 30 by 50 minus 15. Minus 2, sorry. Minus 2. Next one. 15 minus 1 and 0 minus 1. No. 15 by 15 1 and 15 by 2 2 and 15 by 45 by 15 3. So next we have the Fi and Ui. So Fi is here and Ui is here. So calculated 4 and 3 and 0, 6, 12, 18. And sigma fi ui is equals to, so we will multiply this one. 29 by 30 is a 0.67 and 47.5 in plus into 15, 14.49, okay, and plus 47.5. What is the answer? 61.99 is the answer of step deviation. So we need to in between 62. So this problem will satisfy the values and the intervals. So this is the problem. One problem we need to calculate all the methods. This is the statistics of mean. So another video I will explain the median and mode and accumulated curve also.